This exercise covers how to create a head and tail of a pipe within Aveva E3d 2.1. From the Model Explorer, add equipment C1101 and E1301 to the 3D view. Navigate to the Zone Piping Area 01 in the Model Explorer. Click the Create Pipe button to display the pipe editor Create Pipe form. In the pipe name text box, enter 200-B-4. Select Process System B for the primary system. A filter can be applied for the specification, or the results can be limited by entering text, in this case A3. Select the A3B specification from the filtered results. Select the bore to be 200 mm. Add a temperature value of 50 degrees C. Click the Apply button. Pipe 200-B-4 has been created in the Model Explorer. From the Branch Head tab, click the Pick Connection button and indicate C1101 in the 3D view. Clicking the equipment rather than the nozzle will populate the list of connections on the form. Select N3 from the list, and with the Create Head Components checkbox unchecked, click the Connect to Selected button. The head is connected to the nozzle and the tail position is offset 1000 mm away. From the Branch Tail tab, click the Pick Connection button and indicate the nozzle in the 3D view. Clicking a nozzle in the 3D view will connect the head or tail to it automatically. Add equipment P1502B to the 3D view. Repeat the previous steps to create pipe 150-A-57. In the pipe name text box, enter 150-A-57. Select Process System A for the primary system. Filter the specification list and select A1A. Set the bore to be 150 mm. Set the insulation to be 50 mm fiberglass. Enter a temperature value of 50 degrees C. Click the Apply button to create pipe 150-A-57 in the Model Explorer. The pipe head is positioned explicitly. Select a connection of open end and set a direction of west by clicking the Reverse Direction button. Enter a head position of west 303,000, north 308,530 and up 104,965. Because these are manual inputs, the Apply button must be clicked. From the Branch Tail tab, click the Pick Connection button and indicate P1502B in the 3D view. Note that the nozzle could have been indicated directly. From the list of connections, select N1 and click the Connect to Selected button. The tail is connected to P1502B/N1. Save work.